Do you remember chalk hearts melting on a playground wall? Do you remember stone escapes from moonwashed college halls? Do you remember cherry blossoms in the market square? Do you remember? I thought it was confetti in our hair. By the way, didn't I break your heart? Please excuse me. I never meant to break your heart. So sorry. I didn't want to break your heart. But you broke mine. Did I break your heart? Nah, it's just a song. Hey, BOOZHOO ni jana shanabe dug. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I'm here today with Niwini Mushane, Natasha. Ikadom BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO everyone! How you doing? And I guess the Ojibwe word of the... What should Ojibwe word of the day be today, honey? Oh, I don't know. Do you want to do I don't know, the day of the week? Yeah, that's a good idea. So today, our Ojibwe word of the day. What day is it? Thursday. Today is Neo Gija Good. Thursday. It is the fourth day. So we say Neo Gija Good. Fourth day. And it's August. So it's Manuminike Gizis. Manuminike Gizis. It is Wild Rice Moon. You know, they're going to start ricing soon here, eh? Have they started yet? I don't know. I haven't talked to anybody. I think this weekend people will probably be taking out their canoes and ricing and that. Let's see what else. It's August 23rd. So it's Manumanike Gizis Nishtana Ashi Niswe. Nishtana Ashi Niswe. August 23rd. And yeah. So how you doing this morning? Oh, I'm good. How are you? Oh, I'm pretty good. You know why I'm good? You know why I'm an early riser? Why? Because I don't drink. You know who doesn't like the mornings? Hungover people. And so earlier yesterday I was watching that the Man of Steel. I was watching the Superman movie. And it's a really good movie. I love the superheroes in that. But then they showed a shot of okay, well, first of all, this in every movie they got to have a shot of somebody taking a big glass of whiskey. So of course, we get to know Lois Lane, and you find out right away that she's a Pulitzer Prize winning reporter, and she's got a nose for danger. She's not afraid to get in there and get the story. But then so she's at the bar, and she's talking to some guy, and she goes, "Give me a whiskey straight up," or something. She says it just fluently, like you can tell she orders this drink all the time. And the guy gives her this big glass of whiskey, and she just drinks it down in one gulp. And I'm thinking, oh wow, well that's a little character development. Not only is she a Pulitzer Prize winning, reporter, and she likes to date superhuman guys, but she's also a raging alcoholic. I mean, that's not okay. So then later on, Clark Kent, he goes back to Kansas. And this is what people like about Superman, it's not all the superpowers. We like Clark Kent. He's a good guy. He's from a small town. He takes care of his mom. He cares about stuff. He's a good guy. But then they got to show when the aliens come, and they go on all the TVs and stuff. He's at home at his mom's house. And what's he doing? He's drinking a beer. Like the Man of Steel needs a beer. What? He's stressed? he's impervious to bullets, but oh wow, he needs a drink. Yeah, I don't know. So I think that's how they brainwash our kids. They're trying to turn us all into drunks. So now I was watching that Justice League, and they're the same thing. Batman and Wonder Woman, they go back to Batman's place. And, oh, he's all sore. It's like, oh, geez, my muscles are just sore. I was beating up bad guys. Wonder Woman goes, oh, that's okay. I'll rub your shoulders. And he gets up and he goes over to, he's got a table with just glasses and whiskey on it. And he goes, hey. He doesn't even ask her if she wants a big old glass of whiskey. He just assumes. And yeah, sure enough, Wonder Woman needs a glass of whiskey. I mean, yeah, you can kind of assume that Bruce Wayne was gonna. No, you wouldn't. In the comic books, he'd pretend to be a drunk. He'd put apple juice, and then that's how, that was his secret identity. He pretended to be a drunk, but in the movies, he really is one. But that's how they tell us, hey, it's normal. Go have a big shot of whiskey. I don't know. All right, anyway, so who's our sponsor for today's show? Today's sponsor is Jim Beam. Oh, great. All right, then, Jim Beam. Real smooth Kentucky bourbon. If you got a problem, you can forget all about it with Jim Beam. It's great. All right, well, that's all the time we have for today. I'd like to thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Giga Waba Min, Menawa Hoa. Ugh, yikes. We gotta get some better sponsors.